Parisian Chic, a style guide by Inès de Fressange with Sophie Gachet at Flammarion. How to be a Parisian. You don't need to be born in Paris to have Parisian style. I'm the perfect example, born down south in Saint-Tropez. Parisian style is an attitude, state of mind. Between rocker and bourgeois, Parisian is always first, never second. Parisian steps lightly around the fashion traps of the day. Her secret? Fashion should be fun. The Parisian follows a few golden rules, but she likes to transgress too. It's part of the style. Here's my guide to the Parisian jean code. Brilliant basics are the key to a great look. Parisian style is simple. Well, almost. Make sure your wardrobe includes the magnificent 7. I would say a man's blazer, a trench coat, a navy sweater, tank top, a little black dress, jeans, and a leather jacket. After that, it's all a matter of composition. What effects are you aiming for? How to transform your basics? What to avoid? Here's a user's guide for that made in Paris look. The Parisian builds her look around fabulous basics, so accessories are the key to her personal style. It doesn't matter if you're tall or small, slender or curvy. Accessories are the easiest things to adapt to your shape. And if you invest in quality accessories, you can go for more affordable clothes. Nobody will notice. Accessories are all important. Parisian Chic, the new little red book that everybody should have.